I'm gonna try to film and drive this next bit. Oh shit. Get ready for this crazy angle. Hopefully I don't like slide onto my right.
Stop.
Yeah, I'm stopped.
I'll come and put them down and force on your back left.
Yeah, I feel like I'm about to go over now. 1 second. Put this down here. Hey Dougie, if you open the driver's side and then stand on this. Sorry, that's what I mean. Yeah, and sort of, can you stand?
That'll make it cool.
And then lean right out. Okay, I'm gonna go real slow.
Right hand down there.
Look at this.
Yeah. This is what it's all about, guys.
This is the closest I've come to rolling my
This
car.
is ridiculous.
Okay, going real slow.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna try to get over too. It's grabbing now.
Yep, that's good, mate. Oh, Jesus, Desmond.
Oh, fuck, here I am filming it going, watch the angle on this shit.
Oh, guys. I'll just do a bit of a walk around and tell your viewers what just occurred.
Oh, fuck,
while he collects himself. So, so it still looks bad now, but it's
nothing compared to what. Oh, I should have got my thing out.
So he was obviously, his front driver's wheel there was further back, and the angle was just horrible. I was watching it from behind, thinking he's going to roll it. Oh, you're still fucking pretty close to rolling it.
No, I felt when it got to that teeter point, and that's where I went quiet, and then you're like saying, stop. I'm not moving at all, man. I can feel this. It's going. That's the closest.
That's why it's good to have buddies as well, because you can put them in certain parts of your car so it doesn't bloody roll over. You know what I mean?
I probably would have hung a lot more left, but I was showing off, and I nearly came unstuck there. That was when I need someone to hang out off the other side of the car for me to roll through a section. Holy shit.
Holy balls, mate. Holy
where,
bully.
like, all those tryhards, they all set up winches and stuff to save their cars. Why don't they just get someone hanging off the side?
That's it, mate.
Oh, okay, I'm going to get to the bottom and film that.
No worries.
Please be careful.
Oh my God.
Just don't take the same line I did. Woo. Yeah, that's that was crazy. I thought I was over a couple of times just then, even with Dougie hanging on to that. That's even while I was rolling down with Dougie hanging out, it still felt like when I inched forward that I was gonna go over with him on top.